I don't suffer, no be small.
Ada, I beg no verse, I beg. Hungry they catch me.
Okay.
Hey, can you give me small rice from the one you ate? My dear, I'm not gonna fit give you that food. My stomach, inside my intestine of my belly. Hunger they wire me, so I go need to chop am. Oh, you just ate like 10 minutes ago.
Yes.
Just 1 spoon. That's what I'm asking for. Hey, now that one spoon be my problem because you get the one I dey chop portion by portion.
Hey!
So if it affects me because of imbalance.
Ah! O já mi lára jẹ.
Please can you borrow me that your dress? That red dress that you wore last week.
God, oh.
I'm not gonna fit give you clothes, so for my family they forbid them. As you did now, if you carry your clothes just to touch my body, I go get skin reaction. That clothes they me very important. That dress I bought it from Somi's Trend.
Oh my God.
They sell very classy wears, both native, pattern, plain. They get them.
Continue.
Their clothes are better quality and they're very much affordable. Okay, no while I don't do. I go and they're very much affordable. Okay, no while I don't do. I go try buy from there. I beg oh, you go like they help yourself oh, because the way they take the beg these days. It come like way person they rub cream for body, you don't stick to your body. They wonder because now Covenant University you go. When no be say you go Beggars Association of University. You don't need to turn beggar to profession now.
Look at that one, Kata.